Hello guys, in this video, I will show you how to use Python on Replit. So step 1, go to replit.com and create an account or you can log in. Step 2, click the create app button and then choose the Python as your language. Step 3, Replit will launch an editor and terminal and then you can start your Python code in the main.py file. Step 4, you can type in, for example, print hello world and then click run. And then you will see it outputs appear in the right-hand terminal window. Step 5. You can also use the Packages tab to install Python libraries. Just search for a package and click plus to add it. Step 6. Your work autosaves and you can share with your Replit with collaborators by clicking the invite button. And that's it. So if this video helped you, feel free to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials, reviews, and comparison videos. Thank you for watching.